Hello YouTube, it's your old friend Sirens in New Jersey here. I just want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. I hope you guys had a great Christmas. I certainly did have a great Christmas. Unfortunately, I didn't get any sirens though. Well, that's fine. At least that I had a great Christmas and everybody was there. But anyways, we're back at it again. Tornado Siren Madness reacting again. We're gonna react to Tornado Siren Madness, The Hunt for Tribe Blaster Part 4. I haven't watched this one yet, so without a further ado, let's do this. Now, once again, Sirens and Railroad to South Carolina, aka Caleb, inspired me to do this, so let's get started. 3, 2, 1, play. And we're back at it with the intro again.
It seems they are going to Federal Signal Corporation.
Later at Federal Signal.
Stop right there. I am the security
Model
guard
3.
for FS. If you want to talk to the manager, I need your identification. I'm Thunderbolt.
I'm 1003.
Do you have any French fries? Some I mean. I am Model 5. I can't wait out here. Same here. Hi. How may I help you? Why does your voice sound like 2001? I am a T-Bolt 1000. I am son on shopper
Hey,
level
look,
6.
a Model 2.
Anyway, have you seen P-50 and Tribe Blaster? They went to the reactor core. Attention all workers. We will close in 1 hour. Get your things ready to get out of here.
That looks like one of them Federal Signal
Now,
speakers.
if you will excuse me, I need to finish this Model 2.
Finish the model.
Where am I?
Air horn.
Welcome to the World Model 2 number 2516.
At the core.
Let's explode this place.
Oh no, no.
Hey, stop right there.
Hey,
Darn it.
what is
Been
that?
caught.
P-50, you are under arrest.
Not again.
Oh gosh.
Watch your...
All the EOWS sirens are coming upon him.
No. Watch your speakers.
Oh no.
You watch yours. No, you
Now they're
not.
starting a little fight.
That P-50 failed me again.
Chrysler siren.
Dang it. But soon, that trip blaster will kill everyone.
To be continued. Just want to say that was pretty interesting. Yeah, I guess that's about it for now. I will make some more videos in the future. Oh, and I do want to say that I will do a New Year's blast, a siren blast, on December 31st at 11:59. I will start the video, or somewhere around there. And then when the video's over, it'll be 2018. That's when the siren, yeah. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And once again, hope you guys had a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. I sure did. And I'll see you guys in the next video.